Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to create a Google Chrome Incognito Mode shortcut in your Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the button search bar and here, please type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear. Okay, and once it's here, please do a right click here, and the moment you do that, you need to proceed with open file location. So eventually you would be redirected to this kind of window where you can see your Google Chrome. By here, click on this copy icon to copy it, close the window, and make a right click here at the desktop. And from here, go with the spaced icon. The moment you have pasted the Google Chrome browser, you need to make a right click once again. Okay. And from here, please proceed on this option called Properties. So under the Properties, you can see there a shortcut, and under that, you can see there an option called Target. So you need to proceed to the end text of the target. Okay, and once you are at the end of that, click the spacebar once and type for hyphen, then type for incognito. Okay, once you are done typing, please click on Apply and then OK. Once you have set it, make a right click once again, go with this Properties, and at the bottom of that, click on Changed icon and go with this incognito. So click on OK, go with Apply, and then OK. Once you have set it, we need to pin it here at the taskbar. So by that, make a right click once again, and this time you need to proceed with Show More Options. And eventually, we just have to wait until a window would appear, which is this. Please click on Pin to Taskbar, and in that way you have just successfully created a shortcut and you have just successfully pinned it to the taskbar. So double tap to it, and there you have that. You have just successfully created a incognito mode here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.